So recently we heard about Huawei's most distinguished foldable phone. The Huawei Pura X2 is getting big changes, especially in its display area. However, thanks to a fresh leak, we now have more exact details about its display and chipset. So let's get started. So according to the leakster, the Pura X2's foldable display, or we can say the inner display, will grow to the 7.69 inches and it will be Quad HD Plus display. Flashback, an earlier leak claimed the Huawei Pura X2 will come with a 7.5 and something inches display. So in a nutshell, the Pura X2 is getting a really big screen. Now in comparison to the original Pura X, it came with a 6.3 inches foldable screen. In terms of outer display, while the earlier leak was unable to share how much the increase in screen size will be, but per the fresh leak, the outer screen of the Pura X2 will be 5.5 inches up from 3.5 inches. And I think that's great, as it would make the outer screen more practical to use. Anyway, despite the increase in screen sizes, the Pura X2 is set to retain its unique 16:10 screen aspect ratio. Now, moving to the chipset, the Pura X2 is tipped to use the Huawei's in-house upgraded Kirin 9030 chipset, built on 6nm fabrication. So we guess it will be better, especially in battery efficiency, compared to the 7nm Kirin 9020 on the original Pura X. Not just the displays, the Huawei Pura X2 is likely to bring big upgrades in camera setup. So instead of 50 megapixel main, it is rumored to use a 200 megapixel sensor as a main camera, which will be paired with a telephoto and an ultra wide. Anyway, the Huawei Pura X2 is likely to offer a bigger memory capacity than its predecessor and a long range of color options. I have already made a video on its other specs, so don't forget to check that out. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.